Hey bitch, and welcome back to another Equestrian Treasures video. This is a brand new series that I started. This is actually my second video in this series. For those of you who didn't see my first one, definitely go check it out. Essentially, if you're familiar with my Equestrian Trash series, which is one of the most popular series on my channel, this series is the exact opposite. This is where I talk about really amazing equestrian products that I absolutely love. All of these products are products that I have used for a very long time. I stand by them. I want to recommend them to other people. This is how I genuinely feel, and this is my genuine review of these products. If you are interested in extra content from me, you can become a channel member here on YouTube or check out my Patreon account. The link is in the description down below. In today's Equestrian Treasures video, we are talking about my all-time favorite Outlander hydration pack slash saddlebag girlfriend. So, if you are one of those equestrian girlies that likes to ride on trail, this is the pack for you. I love trail riding. I take my horses camping. I love going up into the mountains. As you know, I live in the Colorado Rockies. And let me just be honest, I have run through my fair share of trail bags, saddlebags, etc. The problem I have come across with saddlebags and trail bags is that if anything happens, and it will, and your horse takes off and is gone, you're toast. All of your gear is with the horse, your keys, your food, your water, your knife. Not to mention that riding with a water bottle and then having to actually pull it out, unscrew it, drink while you're riding is just so tedious and annoying. So through trial and error, I found the perfect thing for trail riders, and I've been using this for several months now. I love it. This is the USWE or USWE, unsure how to actually pronounce it, Outlander Hydration Pack. This stores all my gear, and if I fall off, this stays with me. It is also a hydration pack, as you can see right here, so I can drink water while I'm trail riding. And you know what? This thing is so amazing. I actually started using it even when I'm not trail riding. Not to mention it's lightweight. It really stays on quite well. It's really not a backpack. It has these elastic clips that clip on the front that really keep it nice and steady. So no matter how fast you're going, it really doesn't move at all and you barely notice it. This Outlander pack retailed for around $100, I believe, but it is $100 well spent. If anything, I think it's around the same price point as your average saddlebags that are good quality out there, not the really cheap ones. This is something that will last you a very long time. It's scratch resistant, tear resistant if you fall or if you're going through some trees, etc. And it's also waterproof. So on the back, you have this small pouch right here. This can actually be detached. These buckles, super high quality. They're not cheap. They're not flimsy. This thing is not going anywhere. You can store anything you want in here, and I will show you what I have. This is what it looks like detached, and believe it or not, it looks small, but this thing actually holds a ton of stuff, and it's not even completely full. But I'm very minimalist, and so I only take things that I know that I will actually use or need on the trail. Although I would absolutely use this for overnight backpacking and camping, this is only currently set up for a day trail ride. So in the pack itself on front, I have a whole bunch of nuts and probiotic snacks. I also have my Life straw if I run out of water. Then I have a whole bunch of raw honey packets, These are great because you can put raw honey on wounds, insect bites, etc. But also it is pure sugar and pure energy. So if you're really out there for a long time and you just need an extra boost. Then I also have my little mini medical kit. Then in the main compartment up top, this is where you have your actual hydration pack. When the hydration pack is completely full of water, you still have additional room in this pocket to keep extra things. Then on the front straps of the pack, on this side, I have a little pocket knife. And on this side, I keep my Garmin InReach Mini. Both of them, as you can see, clip on nicely to these reflective straps, which brings me to the actual color and reflectiveness of the pack as well. I have a very bright hunter orange color because sometimes I trail ride in backcountry where there might be hunters. You always want to have orange on, but also it's very bright. It's very noticeable. If I get lost, other people will be able to find me easily, see me, etc. And also my horse. And then it also has reflector straps on it as well. These straps are very easy to adjust. You can also adjust the actual length of the tube for your hydration pack, which, by the way, water flows out of this thing so easily. Absolutely love it. You also have plenty of space for your cell phone. Like I said, this is scratch, tear, and water resistant, so your phone will be completely safe in here. And sometimes I also like to put a little baggie of treats in here for Link if I know that I'm going to be taking the halter or bridle off of him and letting him graze or run about on trail, so that way, recall, you know. I really can't tell you how great this pack is. It is the best thing that I have purchased for my trail riding. I will absolutely never go back to using saddlebags ever again. Like I said, I even love using this just for day-to-day riding in the arena. And it's also really high quality. The stitching on the pack itself is immaculate. I've worn this so many times and it doesn't have a single scratch or tear or rip or anything. I really feel like this hydration pack is gonna last me a very long time. So you really can't go wrong with this, you guys. I have loved this. It has been my favorite equestrian product of the year, and it's not even really advertised as an equestrian product, but it is deserving of a video. It is deserving of a shout out, and it will keep you safe, which is the most important thing. This is far safer to have than saddlebags. Clean water, easy to drink, on the go. It stays with you when you're riding. Your safety gear stays with you. You're good to go. One thing I wanted to finish with, it does not have to be this particular brand. However, this particular brand has the best design that I have seen thus far, so that's why this is the only one I'm recommending. Other hydration packs tend to be very cheap and flimsy and more so made for people that go to like raves or concerts. So this is actually designed for outdoorsy activities and will last you a lifetime, which is why I'm recommending it to you. This product has really revolutionized my trail riding journey. I wanted to recommend it, and that's why it is in today's Equestrian Treasures video. So thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I will link this actual product down below, but I will see you in my next video.